everybody, Asong Filipina, and today I have this parcel from temu. So we'll see. This is my flip-flops. I can also wear white. Okay, a very nice skirt. And a cute dress. So the size in the temu clothing is quite bigger than Shein. So when I buy small at Shein, and temu looks like large. So I need extra small at temu. It's quite big for me, but I can use this one for house clothing, housewear dress, so I can try on. Not bad at all. Okay, and then this is the skirt. That's all for today's video.